Hi guys, Tony Hayes here, and today I want to put a special offer out for this new software that we've been building in the background. Now this software is called AdBlasta, and the goal of AdBlasta eventually is going to be that we will have multiple PPC recipes, done for you recipes in a software. Okay, so we would actually have all the settings done, all the ad group stuff done, and all you would have to do is fill in the blanks. Okay, and we will be doing that for YouTube video ads, we will be doing that for Bing ads, for Pinterest ads, Quora ads, Twitter ads, Facebook lead ads, etc, etc. That's the goal. And what we will do is we will release these tools, these PPC recipes, as individual tools that you can just use within the AdBlasta campaign. Now what we will do at that time is we're going to sell them all individually. Okay, so each time we have a new one, we will release it, and there will be a price to pay to be able to buy that tool and put it into your AdBlasta software. So the AdBlasta software is really like a software framework, and you can put in these plugins almost like you can do with WordPress with plugins, etc. as well. Okay, today what I'm doing is I'm putting together an offer for 3 tools. Okay, these are core tools that I think are essential for AdBlasta. Okay, and they're very, very useful tools to have, even if you're doing PPC or not doing PPC. Okay, I will do individual videos on each and put them underneath this video so that you can see what these tools do individually, but I'll cover them very quickly in this video as well. But as this is the main sort of sales video, I just want to keep this as short as possible and get the information over, and if you're interested you can learn more about each individual tool underneath. Okay, so the first thing is the tag grabber. Now the tag grabber is a really important tool. If you're familiar with Vid Create Alpha, you'll know that when we create playlists in Vid Create Alpha, like this one for example, you can see I've got 50 videos in the playlist. If I come over here into the info tab, I can click on the tag grabber over here, and it's going to pull in the most commonly used tags for all of those 50 videos. Okay, and so we can get really accurate keyword targeting when we're optimizing those playlists. So I wanted to take this further for the purpose of doing some advertising and for getting these tags that we can use for advertising. So what we've done here is we've made it, instead of just one keyword like you would have with the Vid Create Alpha, is that we could put in here multiple keywords, and it will go and find the top 50 results for each single keyword and pull back all of those tags, and it will go on to the next one, the next one, the next one, and so on and so forth. So we can pull back a lot more keywords and we can get a lot more accurate so that we can use these with our ad campaigns. Okay, and that's a really important tool for being able to do that. It's a very, very fast tool as well, and it gives us some accurate keywords so that we can keep our costs down. And so if you're using for video ads, for example, this is going to be good because you're going to have really targeted people coming from those keywords into watching your video, which will increase your retention time, increase your watch time, which will help you to rank for that video as well, for competitive terms. Okay, very, very, very important. Next tool is a tube placement finder. If you have VidSpy Alpha, you will be familiar with this tool. There's nothing different with this version, okay, because it's such a good tool. It doesn't need much changed in here. And what we can do actually is we can actually take the keywords from the tag grab and we can put them into the tube placement finder. Okay, and what we can do then is we can put in multiple keywords in here, and what Tube Placement Finder will do is it will go and find videos that you can advertise on, videos that have got monetization enabled for those keywords. Okay, so you can even advertise on your competitors' videos. That's a very important tool, and the difference between this tool and other people's tools that do similar is that they typically will use like one keyword at a time and pull back maximum 200-300 keywords. With this tool, because we can use multiple keywords, we can literally pull back thousands of URLs that we can go and advertise on with a single click of a button. It's very, very, very powerful, and again it gives us the targeting that we can get results that we want if you want to do YouTube video ads. Now the third tool is a little bit of an outlier because it's not exactly a PPC tool, but it's really important because what I was building this for was for my PPC campaigns for YouTube ads. Okay, so if you're familiar with the $1 a day ad campaign that I was sort of giving a checklist away for recently, you will know that I was doing 1 cent cost per view video ads. Okay, and those video ads were for $1 a day campaigns, which were getting me 100 views at 1 cent cost per view every single day. Okay, now we tested this multiple times and we got consistent results. The only time it was different is when we used targeting for keywords or targeting for video URLs. Video URLs cost 2 cents cost per view. Videos targeting with keywords cost 1 cent cost per view. The more targeted your keywords are, the higher retention time you're going to have, and the better results you're going to have in the search engines for those videos that you're advertising on, because the ranking factors involved is increased watch time, is increased retention time, because you have traffic that is specifically interested in these ads. And because we were using video discovery ads, then those ads were the ads that people actually choose to click on to watch. Okay, so we had that sort of pre-qualification before they even came to watch the ad, where the keywords were accurate, the videos that we were advertising next to were accurate, and the people chose to click to watch those videos as well, which is really powerful. You've got a trifecta there happening to make sure you've pre-qualified that audience so that you can get those user behavior signals that are positive, so that YouTube and Google can rank your video higher, okay, and you get more organic traffic as well. So this third tool here, Vid Optimizer, helps with that strategy, because with those dollar per day campaigns, we were doing like one video with a dollar per day campaign. But what if we want to do more than one video? Okay, what if we want to do a video series? Then this tool is perfect, and here's why. If I come over into Google very quickly, I go into do a search on Google, and I type in something like Kartra review, okay, you will see this consistently. This guy here, Passive Income Ladder, is a guy called Paul Murphy. Now Paul is ranking for a whole bunch of these kind of keywords: Kartra review, ClickFunnels, Webinar Jam, Groove Pages, Builder, all those kind of tools, internet marketing tools, and he's making 5 figures per month. And if you go into his channel, you will see he's talking openly about it, and he's showing you, in real time, his earnings, and he attributes that to this. He creates video series around each promotion. So for example, he's promoting Kartra. He has a video for Kartra pricing, a video for Kartra versus ClickFunnels, a video for Kartra trial, a video for Kartra affiliates, a video for Kartra reviews and demos, etc., so on and so forth. Now what happens is he puts all of them, all the links, inside his YouTube description here, which gets them more views as well, and he attributes this to being able to rank every single time within 24 to 48 hours on the first page of Google for those keywords, which in turn is driving the traffic, which in turn is earning him 5 figures per month. Even when you look at the size of his channel, it's not a huge amount of people that is on his channel, and he's not getting massive amounts of views. He's only got 3.38 thousand subscribers, for goodness sake, okay, and he's got 3,300 views, but those views are very targeted. Most of them are coming from inside YouTube and from the Google search results, because of the optimization he's ranking. Okay, that's exactly what this third tool does. It creates a template that we can use. Now it's kind of hard to put that together here, okay, it might not look it, but it's actually hard to put that together here. And every time you do a new video, you have to go back and update each one individually. What we do here is we have a template that you can even save the template. Okay, you can even save the template so that you can pull it in next time again and again, and you can use shortcodes. So you can put in your video title, you can give your video series a name. So for example, I could have like video 1 of 5 for Kartra reviews, why you should buy Kartra, for example, and you would have those kind of phrases inside all of your videos. Okay, and you could have like, this is video 1, this is video 2, this is video 3. It would have the title, it would have the link. Okay, you can number it, not number it, whatever you want to do, and you've got a whole bunch of shortcodes here that you can use. I will do a separate video on that so you can see that in action. That's basically what we're offering today, guys. Okay, 3-in-1 tools, 3-in-1 offer, and this is going to be a limited time. When we release these tools, typically we will be selling them for $47 each for 1 computer license, and $67 for 2 computer license. What I'm doing today is the 3-in-1. Okay, you won't pay anywhere near that today. Okay, and you can get all 3 tools for 2 computer licenses. That will give you an AdBlasta for 2 different computers. This is an introduction to AdBlasta. Okay, we are not giving any PPC recipes today, and anytime we do release PPC recipes, they will be released individually and priced individually as well. Okay, so if I release the D-Day one, which is not ready yet because we haven't got the API yet, then that one will be sold individually, and you can choose to buy it or not buy it, but you will always have the AdBlasta suite here that you're buying today with these 3 core tools that you can use. Okay, so there will be multiple more tools coming later, but they are not included with today's price. Okay, just to be clear, we will be selling each of those as individual plugins like you would do with WordPress plugins, and those will be, you'll be able to activate using a license key within the AdBlasta suite. That way we can keep a continuity going, and you can get some great done for you PPC recipe campaigns in the software that all you have to do is fill in the blanks. Okay, but these 3 core tools today, you've got 2 great optimization tools, and you've got an optimization tool for YouTube as well. You've got 2 great targeting tools, I should say, and an optimization tool. So that's it. That's the offer. Okay, it's a fantastic offer. I advise you to take up this offer today, because you won't get it for the same price again later. It's really knocked down price. Okay, and when we start to do these PPC recipe campaigns, the done for you recipes, when we start to release them, you can buy the ones that you want, don't buy the ones you don't want, but they are instant traffic that you can switch on and switch off whenever you want. But these core targeting tools are essential for helping us to do things like YouTube ad campaigns, and even Gmail ad campaigns and Bing ad campaigns as well, because they give us accuracy so that we can get the right audience watching our videos or looking at our ads across different networks. Thank you for watching.